In this video, let's see how we can scan the space with the Matterport capture. Make sure you have all the equipment needed for this tutorial. First, mount a Matterport Pro2 camera on the tripod with the quick release clamp and make sure that it is properly leveled. Press the power button on the back of the camera and wait until the Wi-Fi symbol starts blinking. Go to the Wi-Fi setting on your iOS device and connect to the Matterport Wi-Fi. Once it is connected to the device, you are now ready to scan the space. On the Metapod Capture app, tap the Capture 3D Scan button to begin your scan. Once the scan is completed, the scan data will be automatically transferred to the Matterport Capture app. Move and place the camera 1.5 to 2.5 meters away from your previous scan. When you are ready, tap the Capture 3D Scan button to repeat the process. You will see another scan point appearing to your preview window upon scanning a new position. You can clean up your doorhouse views by using the Trim tool, a tool used to eliminate unwanted depth data and ensure your doorhouse views don't contain any artifacts or jagged edges. You can label the window by using the Windows tool. Make sure the inside arrow is pointed towards the inside of the space you're scanning. Only mark glass doors as windows if you plan on opening the doors and scanning outside. Use the mirror tool to mark reflective surfaces such as mirror, flat screen TVs, and stainless steel refrigerators. To upload your scan data to the Matterport cloud, you need to be connected to the internet. Tap the upload icon, confirm your setting, and begin the upload. Once it is uploaded, Matterport Cloud will begin processing your scans into a complete 3D model. After processing is completed, the 3D model will appear in your account and ready for preview. For more information, you can contact us at Intec Marketing Services.